Hey everyone, my name is Laurina Carroll, and I'm an Ayurveda wellness consultant. And I'm here today to invite you to my masterclass on health and nutrition beginning March 15th. It's going to be so exciting. 16 weeks of lessons, everything from consciousness and meditation to detox to diet and digestion. So the first thing we're going to learn is when we talk about consciousness and meditation is how the mind and body are intimately connected, that whatever we do to the mind affects the body and vice versa. So in terms of meditation and consciousness, if we don't change the way we think, we can't change our lifestyle and our habits. And that's why we always look to consciousness to raise our level of consciousness, to raise our level of awareness. And then all of the goals that we have for perfect health are more easily achieved. So I'll go into that in great detail. And then, of course, diet, digestion, and that's using daily routine, something called dinacharya in Ayurveda, herbal preparations, wonderful foods. You're not going to suffer. We're going to be doing a little detox, but it's going to be much more nutritious and fun foods than I think you would imagine. And that's going to be really delightful exploring. And I'm even going to actually do cooking classes with you and, kind of get you prepared so you can have your items ready. And then, we'll do a cooking class together and also talk about sleep, the importance of sleep, regulating our hormones, whether it's male or female. I, help, both sexes with their hormones and to stay in balance, getting good sleep, exercise, yoga, moving the body. How do we best move the body for our own body type? And that's the great thing about Ayurveda is that when we talk about health, it's mind, body, and emotions. It's this whole connection. And so in that regard, there are three bodily humors in Ayurveda called Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. And when you know which one is more dominant, you can better eat and have a healthy lifestyle for yourself. And we're going to just learn how do we live in the rhythms of nature, right? I mean, there's so many toxins out there, and we're just inundated with genetically modified foods and just so many things that are harmful to us. We're hearing it at every angle. And so we have to really be privy to what we're doing to achieve good health. So we will go into aspects like the electromagnetic field. How do we protect ourselves from cell phone towers, cell phones that we carry around with us? And that's going to be a huge part of it. And also just, the clothes we wear, making sure that they're, more natural fibers. What are we washing our clothes with? I mean, every detail of that is so important. But I am going to break it down into very easy little snippets of wisdom that you can implement each week over these 4 months. So you're not overwhelmed and you're not doing it alone. So I'm so excited for you to join me. If you have any questions, you feel free to email me. My website is www.wellnesswithlaurina.com. And there, if you get the early bird special, you can actually save $49, and you can also save $100 off a wellness consultation if you register early. So early would be, before March 15th, you will get the early bird special. All right. Thank you so much for listening. And I hope to see you in my masterclass. Bye for now.